Mama just internet. How to first it? What? As usual, as the woman was two, as to one. What it is about to do.
Yo and hello everyone, welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette. Are you this kind of person that loves tasty food? You know what? As usual, Rasta woman, mom of two, wife to one, queen of recipes herself. She's about to grace your amazing screens with mautamu. Munaona hadi nafunga macho. Mautamu. Kwenda huko unafikiria nini? Yani inamaanisha mautamu ya chakula. And so definitely guys, when you see me roaming around this spot over here, it just means a recipe is about to pop. That a recipe is about to go down. And so guys, if you are tuning to this channel for the very first time, please make this home. And how do you make this home? You make this home by subscribing onto this channel, clicking on the notification bell, so that every other time we upload a new video, you are among the first people to be notified on that video. To my returning subscribers, I'm forever and I'm always grateful. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Thank you guys for always being there to watch these videos. And so guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment on this video. And today, a very simple recipe is about to go down. In less than 10 minutes, we are going to have our meal here. Are you hosting? And then the bigger adults have come with small children. You don't know what to give these children to keep snacking on. A healthy snack to keep snacking on as you make the main meal. Do you have your kids' upcoming birthday? You're there confused what am I going to make for these kids? Or maybe you go to the supermarket, see it in a Chomea supermarket. Yes, you'll buy some of these things in there, but it will be affordable and cheaper to do this thing by yourself. Do you know what, guys? Imagine it is not that difficult to make popcorn. Come learn with me how to make popcorn without using that machine. I don't know how it is called, but that electric machine that normally pops popcorn. Imagine you can pop your popcorn without that machine. And so guys, let's put on our gear. We need to begin to do our thing as we used to doing. Guys, please subscribe to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and get a girl, a mama, a woman to 5,000 subscribers. Guys, we are on road to 5,000. Yes, we can do it. So today's ingredients, my camera guy, please come over. Wale watu wa measuring. You guys, but thanks a lot. So imagine today we are going even to measure the popcorns, but a girl has grown. She now has measuring cups. So this thing is sold on streets. It's very affordable. This is the bigger one. I think they have indicated it's 1 cup or 250 ml. So I have 1 cup of popcorn, of raw popcorn over here. This is 1 cup of raw popcorn. Then I have my salt here. You know, salt I'm not going to measure because you make your meals salty to your preference. Some people do like a lot of salt, some do like kidogo. So you just make it salty to your preference, to and you also consider to the kind of people that are around you while making popcorn. Then this is our cooking oil. And then you will need a bowl that you will put the popcorns in when they are ready. This is our mandazi bowl. If you haven't watched that video, please go watch it. I know I'm talking too much and you really want to know how to pop popcorns without the popcorn machine. Then you'll need a cooking pot that you can easily cover. It doesn't have to be this particular kind of mine, but any cooking pot, even if it is the normal sufuria, as long as you have the lid, you good to go. Maybe it's that afternoon, you wanna watch a movie, you wanna snack on some popcorns, guys. You can do this in 5 minutes. Let's see how it is done. In 5 minutes, you'll have your popcorns to watch your movie, watch your Netflix and chill. You can do this. So after lighting our fire, our cooking pot is on the gas now. You just use a medium heat, not too high, not too kidogo, just medium. Onto our cooking pot, first thing, you need to add cooking oil in this cooking pot. So kidogo tu, not too much, not kidogo sana. So for our case, according to what we have, this is enough. Then as I told you guys, the measuring guys mmenikaisha rada. So this is the smallest of our measuring cup. This is a half a tablespoon or 7.5 ml. I still feel this might be too much. So this is half tablespoon, but I think I won't use the entire of this. So this is what I use to measure my salt. Let's mix it properly. The rest will melt as they continue to cook, the rest of the salt. Then our 1 cup of popcorn, we place them in the hot cooking oil. So we be patient until they begin to pop. That's when we shall cover, but you be ready with your lid just nearby. Hope my camera guy is focusing properly. You need to capture the very first corn that will pop. Ready. I don't know, they are popping right now. Once they begin doing that, you now cover this, because if you leave it open, the entire popcorns are going to spill all over. So you just regulate your heat as they continue to pop. You see, this is something, in 2 minutes you'll have your popcorn. I don't know if you are able to, yeah, he's capturing properly. They are popping. So if I'm keen enough, this is about 2 minutes. I already have my popcorns because I can see from this lid of mine they are already full in the sufuria. So let me switch off my heat. I don't want them to burn. And ta-da! Our popcorns are here. Imagine just that. And the results are amazing. Amazing. No magic. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You see? Just that and you have your popcorns. So, guys, it's about that time we get our popcorns off the fire. We need to enjoy this amazing snack at the comfort of our kitchen. It may look simpler, but some of these things, some of us have no an idea about it. This is how we do it. Our son is going to be happy. Wow. Maybe baby is going for a school trip, by the way. They normally tell them to carry a lot of snacks. Yo hustle ya kutafuta ma snack jioni achana nayo mama. Hustle is in your hands. And by the way, raw popcorns are sold at the cereal shops. So, see magic. You can get a few pieces of biscuits and some Ringos. So, I'm not cooking again, I'm just using this sufuria to do the mixing. So, you need to a few of the popcorns. Few of this. You mix. More popcorn. Oh. My hands are clean by the way, so you just mix this thing properly. So if it was a birthday, I would pop more popcorn until they be full of this. And then if you feel like your salt is not enough, but ours is enough as per what we measured and as per to our preference, you can sprinkle a bit of it on your popcorns. So our birthday snacks are ready. The kids will be like, we ate a lot at Jay's birthday. And so guys, thank you for watching this video to the end, and bye guys.